Hi everyone, and welcome back to our bioinformatics tutorial series. In this 5-minute session, we'll show you how to create professional genome maps in just minutes using Proksee. This is part 3 of our 2026 tutorial series, where we focus on 1. Card Resistance Gene Identifier. We will learn how to quickly detect antibiotic resistance genes in your genome. 2. CRISPR, Cas Finder, to identify and visualize CRISPR arrays and Cas proteins. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to generate clear, publication-ready genome maps and gain insights into your bacterial or microbial genome maps. Now, copy the web page URL and paste it into your preferred web browser to access the site. Log into your account. Upload your draft genome. Create map. Under the Tools tab, initiate the Card Resistance Gene Identifier. The analysis will take a few minutes to complete. You can download the card features here. The number of features identified will be reported here. You can then add these features directly to your genome map. You can then adjust the display to your preference. For details on customizing elements like color, text size, and other settings, please refer to our earlier tutorial. Next, go to the Tools tab, initiate the CRISPR, Cas Finder. The analysis process may take a few minutes to complete. Similarly, you can download the identified features here. The total number of features is displayed, and you can choose to add them to your genome map. In this genome map, we have combined two types of annotations for a comprehensive view. Now you can adjust the display according to your preference. You can zoom in to review the annotations and the corresponding sequences as needed. You can also copy the nucleotide or amino acid sequences as needed. Make the display changes as demonstrated in our earlier tutorial. Lastly, save the image once you have optimized it for the best visualization. Before we finish, a quick shout out to the institutions and agencies behind this platform. We've also added a scientific citation if you want to explore the topic further. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or inquiries, drop us a message in the comments below. We'll be happy to help and respond as best as we can. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content.